Hey Celines, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl G_everything, and today I am back with another reaction video. So first getting into this reaction video, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so guys can get notified with you when I post another video. So today I'm going to do another reaction to Gabriel Henrik, Because You Love Me, and the official singer for this song is Celine Dion. So let's get right into it, because y'all, I'm so excited right now to just listen to this song. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this video. 1, 2, 3, go.
For all the time you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You are my strength when I was weak. You are my voice when I couldn't speak. You are my light when I couldn't see. You saw the best you was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith to believe I am the friend I am because you love me. You gave me wings and made me fly. You touched my hand, I could touch the sky. I lost my faith, you give it back to me. This ain't no storm without a reach. It stood by me and I stood tall. I had you, Lord, I have it all. I'm grateful for which day you gave me. Maybe I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith to believe I am the friend I am because you love me. Oh, you're always there for me, the tender wind that carry me. I light in the dark, shining in love with you, my
if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below some video suggestions for me to do, because I'll do it for you, period. I will do it for you. So yes, this wasn't a video suggestion though, but but comment down below though what video you want me to do next, or in the next video or next episode. Just comment down below and I'll do it for y'all, because I love to read y'all comments. Y'all comments are so heartwarming, so melting, so good. Like, oh my god, if I could just hold y'all and just hug y'all, I could just. But your comment was so beautiful. Like, thank you so much. Y'all the one that keep me going, y'all. But yeah, comment down below what video you want me to do next. I'll do it for y'all. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you're new and you're watching me. Hey Sally. Oh my god, just join the cruise, y'all, because we're going on a lit adventure. So as I said, if you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified, you know. Also like, give it a huge thumbs up, because yeah, I really do like it. Watch the video from the beginning to the end. Watch it from the beginning to the end, y'all. Please don't be watching it and then comment. Just watch it from the beginning to the end, then you comment. Yeah, that's just easy, you know. It's not a long video. It's a good 4 or 5 minutes video. That's the least. Like, yeah. So watch the video from the beginning to the end. And yeah, my reaction video is not that long. And I'm gonna put a playlist over here or over here of my reaction videos and some other fun videos you wanna watch. So if you wanna watch my reaction videos, go into the playlist, you'll see more reaction videos of me. And yeah, so yeah, I think I'll go now. So without further ado, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.